Hello and welcome to day 14 of Miniature Vlogmas. Today I'm going to be making some Christmas presents. So to begin we need to make a box, and for this I'm using a piece of cardboard. I'm going to begin by making a 2 cm by 2 cm square, and then I'm going to draw 4 of these in a row. Next, on the second square down, I'm going to draw another 2 cm by 2 cm box on each side. Once you've done that, cut out the outline, fold and glue your box together. Your box should be looking something like this. Next, I've cut out a piece of Christmas wrapping paper that I have, and we're going to glue this around our box. I'm adding glue to one side at a time and folding the paper around. Once you've covered all of the sides, you can cut off the excess, and then we can work on folding the remaining sides. The technique I'm using for this is folding in 2 of the sides, and then I'm pushing down the top flap and folding the bottom one over the top. This should create a triangle, and then I will secure it with glue. Repeat this for both sides. Okay, so now we've got our wrapped box, we're going to add a little bit of decoration. So I've got some gold ribbon here that I'm going to use. This ribbon was actually too wide, so I cut it in half straight down the middle, and I'm going to glue 2 strips across the box to create a cross shape. To finish off the ribbon, I'm going to tie a bow and stick that on top of my present. Here is the final result, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 15 of Vlogmas. Bye!